Bring this hand down a little bit more. Actually, switch arms.
This cage petticoat will work on this dress because this dress is down to my knee, so this one will work. Wow, I have a bow and I need a headband. I can wear it on my hair. Ta-da! Wow, it looks really cute and wow, I really love it. And I also need purse. Super adorable. I really love it. I think I will wear socks. So for the shoes, I'm going to wear this pair of shoes. It will matches. Ta-da! So this is my full outfit. This is my purse. Ta-da. Yes. Yes.
Here's kind of like this. Straight here from my fingers.
You do have a couple more.
You want to try pink bunnies while sitting down with this one? Maybe that one's gonna.
You sit down mermaid style, so you're gonna tuck your knees to the side, like this. Oh, then before we bring the pillow in, let's do one without it.
Whatever you want to do.
I think that's in here. Hold it up under, like above, behind your head. And you can go ahead and do your outfit change, and then we'll switch rooms.
Are you going to do the pink
Yes.
dress? Okay. You're going to change some. Okay.
Put on my tail.
Alright, put that on, and I want you to hold this. I'm going to fix the bow on your apron because right now it's a mess.
Right there.
Got some stuffed animals sitting
Look further away.
on your knees. Cook your
And come a little bit lower on your knees. There we go.
down a little bit.
You get comfy again.
You want me to have
It's always the over the shoulder and the.
Do you want to pretend you're biting one? Okay. Yeah, I would It's in here. You're good. We can do that one. Yeah, hold his head down a little bit more.
You're going to kind of hold him like a rabbit. Make his chin pull back.
Around his leg looks weird. Come forward for me. Right there. Do you want 2 trays? Yes, you did. Do you want 2 trays?
Remember, keep moving forwards and back. You can see it's I don't know how it's better. Can you help her figure out a good pose? Yeah, a little bit lower.
Lift your chin up a little bit higher.
Yeah. You want them maybe about waist high.
Okay. We'll just do like that one more time. Okay. Now sit up with 4 again for me. And get that cheek high up.
She's got 6 tails.
There we go. Hold the tail
Yeah.
so you can see it.
Let this just kind of fall.
And then turn your shoulders to me. Okay, turn your shoulders to me. Yeah.
Just kind of think you're done with this one, or?
And this time we'll switch rooms.
You're going to be sitting on the ground, right? Maybe you try. Okay, so when you're standing up, where this you're sitting down. So I'm going to hang this.
If I
I
stand here,
wish you had brought those shoes.
this one doesn't work.
It doesn't fit the dress. It's the problem is it's got this elastic on the bottom. And the elastic on the bottom,
Oh,
Is-
this dress is not.
it's pulling it around and it makes you look like a mushroom. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I mean, is that what you want? Do you want it to look like a mushroom?
This one is just going to be a test shot, okay? Just to see how we like the blues against each other.
It looks cute. Just the hard to see.
There's not much.
Alright, then we won't do this backdrop then. I'll let you hop off and we'll do another one, okay? So how do we want to do this one?
Here's the blue bunny.
Okay.
Just the one. Do you want me?
Go on your knees, okay? And turn to the side. Cross your ankles. Yeah, like that. You can hold one bunny.
Hold it like you love it, not like you just killed it.
Okay, ready? Turn and kick. 1, 2, and 3. Hold the bottom of your dress with one. There we go. Just, let's do that one more time. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let you sit on the floor now, and you're gonna put your way above.
Sweetie, the trick's going to be not to line them up in a line. You got to find some other slightly random yet organized organization in your life.
Put one of them in your lap. Put this one, the love is, right in front of your legs.
This one?
Turn it to the side a little bit, and then tilt it. There we go, like that. And then you can put another one in your lap. Okay, and then we can bring one on the other side.
I'm kind of thinking you want to balance the colors maybe a little bit. Something
Yeah, like
like
that.
that.
Take out this one, because I can't get it all in the shot.
Toss me.
And bring the blue bit closer.
In fact, get rid of that blasted panda. It just does not match.
Ready? This way. Turn the blue bunny's head so I can see him some more. There we go, like that.
That's a lot better.
Lift your chin up a little bit more.
No, sweetie. Let me ask you something. Yesterday, when I was taking pictures on the stepladder down at you, what did you tell me when we got done? You said you don't like it, right? And I'm asking in all seriousness. Do you think it's going to be? Do you think you're going to feel differently about it today?
Now I'm going to have you. Okay, this one's going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to have you lay on your back. And this would just be waist up, okay? Okay? Yeah. Turn this way a little bit more for me. Okay, so let's have one hand on your face and the other one above your head. Yeah, like that. And this way. Let's change your hair a little bit. Bring this hand down a little bit more. Actually, switch arms.
Actually, that looks pretty good right there. If it wasn't for that hoop skirt, if you had a different skirt, if you had a different crinoline or something on underneath there.
Cross your ankles.
Like this?
Yeah, like that.
The right. Fix it all the way around, the top and the side.
This dress is not like circle skirt, it's well shaped.
Okay. Put one hand on your picture. Stay like that. Can you lay on your tummy?
On your stomach.
Yeah, like that. And cross your ankles. There we go. Step a little bit taller. Okay. Cross your ankles. And now make your toes look at the floor. Not so much. Yeah, like that. Now. Sit up a little bit higher. There we go. Turn to the side. No, turn your body to the side. Keep turning your feet too. There we go. And now turn your. There we go. Keep holding that for me.
Now, are you happy with the photo shoot?
Yes, yes.
So we're going to get packed up and then we're going to take a look and see how things turned out. And I'm going to eat the cookies now. I had a white one, and now I'm going to eat the pink one. I think the pink one's going to taste a lot better. They taste like a halo.
So I just come back from the photo shoot and the result was really good. I'm very satisfied. I like 95% pictures. I'm actually very excited that I can find a photographer here that can take really good pictures. She really captured the good moment. When I was looking at the pictures, I was quite impressed and I was like, wow, I like this picture. Wow, I like this picture. And my husband also liked a lot of those pictures. And those pictures are still the original pictures from the camera, so it hasn't been photoshopped yet. After all the pictures are photoshopped, I will have the photos print out and I will sell the print at Anime Convention. I'm very happy and I'm very satisfied.
Give me the face like you're looking in the mirror, sweetie. Okay. Okay. I think you. It was this high before. How long do we have to hold it so that it stays
Maybe
down?
for 1 hour.
Okay, come here. It's your job to hold it.
I don't think it was low, really.
Oh, it was nice and tall.
No, it was low. I'm sure it was low. Super beautiful tree. Wow. Very pink. What's the name of this tree? Does anybody know? We have a pink tree in the front.
It was certainly higher. Because the last time I cut the grass, just the other day, I walked right up underneath there and it was nowhere close to my head.
It's okay. It'll grow back.
No, it'll grow down into the driveway and then I'll have to cut it off. I'm unhappy now.
You're unhappy.
And this is a really good picture. Forward, looking down, looking up. These poses remind me of country girls. Like country farm girls picking fruit out of a tree.
We can put this in your room.
This one, looking down and looking up. I think that's what we need.
Okay,
looking forward, looking down, looking
I'll
up.
find the picture.
And these here, I think this makes a pretty good set for just straight up sort of, you know, pink with white background. And I don't know, maybe we keep the set of these three. And this would be like a blue color, although these are not some of my favorite pictures, but I'm really concerned about this one because I don't know what happened here, but it looks so incredibly fake, and I don't know why. Are you sure that when you look at the picture on the computer that there's no detail? Because that just looks like somebody took a razor knife and just cut out all the detail and just left white space.
The collar got ruffles.
Well, I know the collar has ruffles. What it's got is it's got a flat piece of fabric, and on the edge is ruffles, and you can't see any stitching or anything. It's just totally white here. It's like it's been processed, and I don't understand why it looks like that.
I don't understand.
Anyway, maybe we do 4. I don't know.
Those two are the same.
Well, they're almost the same. This one, your knees are together, and this one, they're not. These ones, I just don't know what to think. I think we've got too much pink.
Yes, and this pink is very light. It's very light. If we use white background, we should get some very dark color costumes.
Well,
Like those cosplay costumes, they are very colorful.
I would like for it to have a consistent theme. If it's got a consistent theme, people are going to feel more comfortable.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, this is a set, and I will find another 2 picture and print it out. I think 3 set of pictures enough. We don't need to. Okay.
Banner. Steve Banner.
Okay. Do we why we need to go out at midnight?
Because I want to scope out if there's a location for us to take one more set of pictures tomorrow.
Okay, we can go. Okay, let's go. Let's go now. It's pretty late, almost midnight.